What's up, guys? It's your girl, Real Talk with Riri, and I am here with another Perky's Paperie sub box unboxing. So, we got it the other day, and I wanted to open it so bad on midweek check-in, but I knew I needed to record a video, and of course my week is not planned for next week, so I need to get it done. So we're just gonna open it now so I can go ahead and use it. You know how we do. And this is a small order, so what you want to look at first, the unboxing or the small order? Small order? Okay, we'll do a small order. So this is my PR order from her, and I actually have another order that I need to place. My cart is calling me. But if you go to perkyspaperie.com and you use code RIRI20, you can get my freebie. It is very much me. It has coffee, it has books, leave a little sparkle where you go. Of course, messy, not malicious. Cafe Bustelo and a microphone, a little planner. So I love that. And then here we have the shop freebie, which is basically some quotes. Think happy thoughts, currently reading, give me all the coffee. But did you die? But did you die? I'm just what the fuck in my way through the day. That's where I am today. All right, so this says, hey friend, I caught a little mistake on one of the months, that one of the months was missing from the small typewriter monthly script sheet. So I've sent along the missing pieces. So now your months are complete. Thank you for being so wonderful and understanding. So I had ordered a monthly script. Sorry, I had ordered a monthly script sheet before. And so, I guess it was missing. I didn't even notice it. So this just simply says, so tired. Wait, let me show y'all something. So I am obsessed with my reusable sticker book. And, you know, just because I use it more when I don't have to, like, look through the stuff. And this was, like, a custom cover from Oh So Paper when she was doing it. I hate that I didn't get a few more because I never thought that I would love them. But I love it. So I wanted to show what I do with these sheets, like when I feel like stickering, but I don't really have a plan for my planner. So what I do is, so if I'm on the go and I want to do something, like I'm journaling or something, I just have the days of the week. And so these are Perky's Paperie, and they're all in the same font, which I really love. I have some over here too. These are from Stick with Katie. I guess one day I should just flip through this. But anyway, the point is that this is where my sheet would go, right? So this says so tired. So here, these are all from Perky's Paperie. So I have, no, let's do the dang thing. Let me drink my damn coffee. Oh, shit. And now I have so tired. And then over here I have, ooh, Monday. And then I put the really Monday, you again here. I have epic fail. And so I will just continue on these if like they have like a similar theme. And I really be trying to like keep them together, but sometimes they don't. So maybe I will do a flip through of both of those books. But anyway, the point of all of that was to show you where I put them, because who wants to carry all the stickers with them, right? Like you never know when you'll need what. So I just have a few of each one in the book. So I think that's a great idea. Thank you for that idea, Pass Regina. Okay, anyway. So, of course, this is just work. And then this is one of the kits that I ordered. It is called Seaside Lighthouse. It is kit number 168. And this is like a journal deco sheet. And this is another one that goes with it. This is 168A. And I just thought it was really good. It really gives like moody November. See, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but it really gives like fall to me, the deep hues of the blue. And then here we have 168B, which is more deco journaling pieces. And she has boxes and stuff that come with it, so you can always add those things. But I have books and books of boxes that I can use, and y'all know I stay with a box. But I am starting to not like the boxes in my big plan. We're not gonna talk about that anyway. Then I got the Modern Wonderland because I was thinking about Galentine's with a plan, and the theme is something Wonderland-ish. And so that made me think about getting this kit, and I really love it. It's so quirky, like Alice in Wonderland. It's got the rabbit, it's got the Cheshire Cat, it's got the spade. So I really want to do something with this. I have the buffalo plaid washi that might look good, but it's not a diamond, so I don't know. But I was thinking about that. And then no spread is really complete without some form of like greenery or floral. And so like if you need something to just kind of top off a page or something like that, then I got these. This is kit 10, and it's just a deco piece. I don't even know what the kit looked like, but I just knew that this was something that I needed like as a staple in your collection. All right, so now we are to the actual sub box. This time it is in an olive green envelope. These envelopes have been so pretty, and you got a seal. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm just gonna cut this open because I don't know. I don't want to mess it up. I mean, I know it's mine and I can't mess it up, but listen, let me just have this moment, okay? Let me just have this. All right, so we got it open. And olive green is like one of the perfect fall colors. Ooh. And look, here we go. The perfect pair. Excuse the glare. I'm about to open it up so it won't be glaring for you anymore. The perfect pair. P-E-A-R. This is user error. All right. Let's see what we got. All right. There you go. There's the message. I don't have my glasses on. I can't read it. But it is gorgeous. Let me tell you about this sub box. With the sub box, you get you get 5 pages of washi paper sticker, and you get the journaling card that you can also use as a layering piece if you don't want to keep this side, but you could also use this as a layering piece also, or you can just tip the whole thing in and then put a doll or something here with a quote and the month that you use it, right? And it can be like a monthly card. But you get 5 pages of washi paper stickers for I believe it's 18 bucks at perkyspaperie.com. And when I tell you, you ain't beating it, I've been looking. You ain't beating it. So this is a deco sheet with some florals, and you got the bullet points to go with it. You got a die cut of a basket of pears. It's really pretty. I like that. And then you have the scripts November in a different font. She's changed it up this time instead of the typewriter font. I really like this font. I really, really like this font. Okay, here we have a tree, like the pear tree, some limbs. You got a basket of pears, heavy deco. Ooh, cookies. Give me a cookie. I'd eat it. And then you have like coffee or tea in the pot with some cookies. You got a couple of sparkles. I really love how she used the negative space on here so that it's not wasting space, and you're getting, useful space, useful money's worth. I really like that. This is like a gazebo, more scenes. This is going to be so pretty in like a journal or something, or like when you're planning and you just need something to blend seamlessly. That is what this washi paper does. And I love the vibrancy, the detail that you can see on the washi paper. It is amazing. It's not better than matte white paper or glossy paper. It's just different, right? So it has a different purpose. I really love these florals. They look really clean, elegant. And I like the little sparkles because you can just add a little sparkle anywhere. Just to, fill in some negative space. You can use them as bullet points. You can use them as your glimmer of the day. And if you're not familiar with the glimmer of the day, it's basically the best part of your day. So that's really awesome. And then here we have the days of the week. in that font, we got, let's see if we still get 5 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, you still get 5 weeks. Here, it has all the Sundays, and then it has October. And so maybe that's why she gave you November, because it was in October. And then we have to-dos, and then we have the numbers for it. And then of course we get a washi sheet. So you get the 2 thin ones in the brown, 2 thin in the mustard, 2 plaids in that olive green, 2 of the lace sheets, which I love them. You know I love them. I've been using the hell out of them. And then you get some pears. So this is the November monthly sub box from Perky's Paperie. This month she's closing them a little early because she is going out of town. And so she wants to make sure that you're able to get whatever you need before you go. Before she goes out of town, and she can get it rectified in case you want to use it specifically for this month. Be sure to sign up for the sub box and let her know that even though you can't use my code, that Riri sent you, okay? Because I be trying to get people over there. I need somebody to use my code. Use my code! All right, so make sure that you have a wonderful day. Keep it messy and not malicious, and I'll see you next week. Bye.